Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download and install YouTube Kids on your Android TV. So let's head over to the Google Play Store and head over to the search button and we search for YouTube Kids. Not this one. As you can see, we have it right here. We click on it and we click on install. So now we wait for the application to be downloaded and installed. Easy steps. As you can see, the application has been installed. Let's head over to the application section. And as we can see, the YouTube Kids has been installed. I hope you guys have a nice day. Goodbye.